after eating okra, this is what happens with your body. Amazing! Okra, also known as the female fingers or bamia, is a plant that has many health benefits. This vegetable has the ability to immaculate in case you need to repair your body through the eating routine. If you like the taste of okra, then you have more reasons to continue eating. If not as a big fan of taste, then carefully read what transforms your body after consumption. Asthma contains anti-cancer and vitamin C prevention agents and has mitigating properties as well. Studies have shown that it is a great improvement in asthma and asthma. Respiratory aspects: you can use okra leaves and flowers as a treatment for pneumonia, bronchitis and regular flu and the flu. Blockage: the filaments contained in the okra will encourage the legitimate retention of water, grease the digestive organs, and ensure solid discharges. It has purgative characteristics. Sun shorts: if you experience certain side effects of sun movements, it is advisable to eat okra and thus soothe the defect and fatigue of the warmth. Threads: okra is abundant with filaments, which have the ability to improve absorption and repair the insides. Okra will efficiently rule out poisons from your digestion systems. Diabetes: it is shown to lower glucose levels. That is, it will balance the glucose by controlling the speed at which the sugar is ingested. Pregnancy: okra is high in folates, which are beneficial for fetal advancement. In addition, it has the ability to counteract the abnormal birth cycle and deformity in the fetal neural tube. Bones: okra can strengthen your bones and can also prevent osteoporosis due to its high levels of vitamin K and folates, which makes the bones denser. Colon disease: filaments in okra will reduce the risk of colon and rectal growth. In addition, the inside of the tract is cleansed, while cancer prevention agents are dispensed with free radicals. Weight: okra does not contain calories, but filaments make you feel full. Besides that, okra is high in supplements. Cholesterol: due to the fact that it is rich in pectin fiber solvent, it will lower cholesterol levels. That is, pectin reduces bad cholesterol and prevents atherosclerosis. I ask 3 favors. 1. Subscribe. 2. Share it with your friends and family. 3.